Cheers. Drive, drive. Zola took what from you? Y'all, somebody stopped my washing machine. I don't know which one of these kids did it, but look at this. It's crazy. Can't they? Like, what in the? Why would y'all do this? Why? Alright, y'all, I finally made it home and safely. I really enjoyed my walk. Y'all, it was so peaceful. Today was my uncle's birthday. He passed away about 2 years ago from cancer, and so today means a lot to me because I really did love that man. I love my uncle. Um, so I missed him a lot. And after having a hectic day today in the house and like being outside with the kids and stuff, I really just needed like a breather from everything and everyone to like dive into my thoughts. And walking is really a good therapeutic method for me. It's very therapeutic. Like, I love walking and exercising to gather my thoughts. It really does help me. And I think that um I need to go on more walks often. Now, mind you, I do walk a lot because we don't have a car. I'm a stay-at-home mom with no car. So some days are very hard and much harder than other days because I don't be able to get out. Like, my husband may be working, he may be out doing something or having something to tend to, or it might be freezing cold because we live in a cold state. We live up north, and so different circumstances might cause for me to just be in the house for days at a time. Kids be sick, like all type of things go on, and so those will all be reasons why I became a stay-at-home mom anyway. When I had my second child, I became a stay-at-home mom. I decided that I didn't really trust or feel comfortable with people watching over my children all day because they weren't going to do it as good as I was going to do it, and keep a supervised eye to every little thing. And that's just the truth of it all. So I decided I'm going to pull myself away from a job. I'm going to step back and I'm going to actually take care of my kids in my home and satisfy my husband because he wasn't happy with me working and having to deal with being stressed out when I come home, and then I didn't feel like cooking. It was just a lot. So I think that I made the best choice I could have made at that time, becoming a stay-at-home mom. Now I do have 5 kids now, so it's much more stressful than it was in the beginning, I would say. But I definitely am grateful to God that He's been blessing us no matter what. And I can be home all day with my children and I can enjoy their company and really get to teach them and learn them, and not have to clock in every single day. Because I know some moms really do wish that they could do this, like that they could stay home with their children. And my heart goes out to those mothers who want to do it but don't have the means to do it, don't have support to do it. And trust me, my heart goes out to you, and I identify with you because I've been there too. Now that I don't have a car, me and my family be stuck. We stuck. But you know what? I know God will provide. He will provide for us. And I don't know where it's going to come from or how, and I'm not worried about it. But I know that He will provide us a vehicle pretty soon. And we're going to be happy. We're going to be traveling. We plan to take the kids out once a couple trips. They've been begging us, and I cannot wait. I can't wait because my daughters absolutely deserve it. They are so smart. They get great grades in school. They're very disciplined. So I love it. I cannot wait to be able to take them on a trip, to have us all go on a family road trips like we used to do and all the things. So remember, if you support this channel, you're not only supporting me, you're supporting my family. Okay? You're supporting my daughters. You're supporting all of us. And I greatly appreciate you for commenting, for liking, for subscribing, for all the things, because it really means a lot to me. So again, I'll see y'all again later. The next video, this one was kind of short, but it's okay. Okay, I'm still going to be dropping. I'm not going nowhere. I'll see y'all later in the next video.